Right, so now I'm going towards the river. Palazzo Vecchio, and we have the Uffizi Gallery next to it, and next to the river. So, Gallery Uffizi and Ponte Vecchio. And this next bridge is called Ponte alle Grazie, and I'm going to cross the river there to go to the Villa Bardini and to the other things I've planned to do for today. I think that the Villa Bardini is this way, while the Piazza Michelangelo should be somewhere there. I don't know what's the purpose of this one. Is it to encourage people to jump into the river? Not really sure. So that's Ponte Vecchio, and that's the Uffizi Gallery, by the way. I feel a little bit stupid for visiting a garden in February, but that's okay, I guess. At least it's not crowded. And we've got the Duomo here. I'm not sure what that is. I'm thinking maybe Santa Croce, but not sure. And that's the Palazzo Vecchio with the tower here next to the Duomo. And that's the bridge I came from. That's probably not the best day either to have a good view over it, because it's quite foggy too, on top of being cloudy and stuff. Yeah, it would have been better with blue sky, but I think that the Piazza Michelangelo might be there, this way. That is Villa Bardini. I'm guessing it's noon. Bells from here and bells from there. I feel that they are louder here actually. Can you see the mountains in the background? Not really. Ingresso. And guess what? Exhibit about Elliot Erwitt. So if the weather was a bit nicer, I could see the mountains. Right, so that was really nice. There is no link whatsoever with Italy or Florence, but that was a really nice exhibition. I think I've actually seen everything here. So now I need to find the exit and to go find some lunch too. That spicy pizza was just too spicy for me. That is Porta San Nicolo, and the Piazzale Michelangelo is on top of that, so I'm going there. So that is a bronze replica of David by Michelangelo, the Duomo, Palazzo Vecchio and Ponte Vecchio. And Villa Bardini, where I was just before, you can see the gardens. And here, if I'm not mistaken, that is Santa Croce, and that would be the National Library there. And the mountains in the background that you can't really see because of the weather. So now I'm going to try to visit the Abbazia di San Miniato al Monte. So the view and the abbey. There it is. Another cat, but it's not black. Now I've seen the Abbazia with the garden. It was really nice, really quiet, so that's really nice change. Now I'm going to go back towards the city center, towards my hotel, and I will take my time for that because it's only 4 p.m. Instead of crossing back at Ponte alle Grazie, the same bridge I took this morning, I'm going to walk up until Ponte Vecchio and I will cross at Ponte Vecchio. Alright, so that was another really good day. I walked a lot, well not that much, I walked 9.6 kilometers today, so some great things, some nice views over Florence. So I will see you in the next video for tomorrow. Bye.